Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm at least 4 GB RAM and 20 GB free disk, and check whether the system uses UEFI or legacy BIOS. Create a bootable USB using Etcher or DD. You'll need a 4 GB or larger stick. Once done, backup critical files and note current partition sizes and mount points so you can restore if needed. Ensure secure boot settings are understood. Disable or enroll keys when necessary, so the kernel will load during installation. You now run the installer and pick a distribution based on stability versus control: Ubuntu for ease, Fedora for freshness, Arch for learning. Partition deliberately. Create a root / a swap or use swap file, and optional /home. Use X4 for simplicity or BTRFS for snapshots. During package selection, include the kernel, SSH, sudo, and a network manager so you can access the machine remotely. After installation, install updates and create a regular user with sudo rights to avoid using root directly. You finish by enabling a firewall, adding SSH keys for secure logins, and configuring automated backups or file system snapshots so you can recover from errors. Install appropriate drivers, choose a desktop environment or keep the system headless, and add essential tools like a package manager, GUI, editors, and monitoring utilities. If boot problems occur, use the live USB to root into your system, reinstall or repair grub, and check /etc/fstab for wrong UUIDs. That single repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.